Hello everyone, once again, this is Shyam Kumar in front of you. So today I brought once again one video for you. It is special for you because I have experience about yes 13 years. I have experience. I have been learning this language. So I want to tell you everything. What did I learn in 13 years? What did I learn? So I want to share with you. Yes, if you want to learn this language, definitely you can learn this language. I will tell you all the method how can you practice English, what kinds of problem you will have to face to learn this language. So everything I want to tell you in this video. Before I thought that I should learn this language because that time I knew that it is an international language. Mostly people means all over the world this language is spoken, this language is spoken. So I knew then I thought I should learn this language. So I made myself I have to learn this language. Then I did what? I bought dictionary, some grammar books. Then I started reading, but at that time my concept was not clear. Then I thought that I should join spoken institute and institute coaching center. Then I joined. So yes, that time I was so happy that I am learning this language. So yes, there I spent approximately 2 months to 3 months. I spent there and I learned their tenses and I learned their few communication skill. That time my mind was not so good. Means every person different kinds of mind. Means something takes to understand long time. So that's why my English at that time not good and my reading and speaking everything was not good, so understanding also it was not good. So then I just I 3 months spent there in the coaching center. Then I thought that I should some advanced level. Then I completed classes. Means there were teaching, yes, there was teaching only English subject, grammar and some vocabulary, means competitive level. So I thought that if I join these classes, so I can develop because there what the meaning program I had. So that's why and that teacher used to teach many vocabulary. So but at that time I was not able to remember all the dictionary, all the words. So I was feeling not so good. Then I spent 3 months in that coaching. Then after I left, then again I thought that I should learn this language. Means between my studying I was thinking is next year I change new institute. So, and third time I thought that I should join again. I joined 2 days 3 days classes because there were not good English speaking environment. So that's why I left one third institute. Then I thought I should have to such new institute. So in living in my local town I joined 4 classes to learn this language, but I was not feeling better here. I was thinking that if I go in any big city town, then I can find a good institute. So I went Patna. In Patna I spent approximately 4 years. So there I developed communication skill, but little more, means little bit. You can say that 10% only I knew there because I spent 1 year. But my self practice, so I learned this language. Means I started thinking day and night and started watching the videos. Then my understanding was good. Then after listening, then I did speaking practice self. Means one day I was speaking 2 hours, 3 hours, some day 5 6 hours. So continuously I kept my journey of learning this language. So this is the reason. Means only there are one way. Means practice. Whatever you know, try to practice. Means reading. If you have interest of reading, then you have to practice reading, writing, listening. All things I did in this time I'm able to speak because it took long time. Then it took long time. Then in this time I'm able to understand this language because of I did a lot of practice. Only practice through we can learn this language. Also we have to create self environment. Means you start watching and if you have friend then try to speak. Yes, earlier time I tried many people to talk to this language. Yes, some that is very very good in English, that I was feeling better in talking. So that time when I was talking to the people were what appreciating my English. English better. Means I was doing a very fast way in this time. So that person was thinking yes, he speaks English very well. So at that time I was feeling what good confidence. So I continued my journey. So I think that in this time I have completed 13 years journey of English learning. So okay, next time I will share with you new things. Definitely I will share with you. Okay, I will meet you in another video.